there's a whole lot of areas that you can use castor oil. I don't advise you take it by mouth. It can be a little irritating there. But topically, used externally, it can have quite a powerful effect.
I'm obsessed. Like, this has blown my mind. I'm going to share everything that you guys could try, all the different things that have happened to me, some befores, afters. It's crazy.
My mind has been blown. Seriously, this stuff is magical. And I want to share with you exactly how I used it as a woman over 50. I'm 54.
All right, before we dive into all the amazing benefits, let's talk about what castor oil actually is. Because trust me, understanding its origins will make you appreciate it even more.
Castor oil is a natural vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. These seeds might look small and simple, but they're loaded with a powerful ingredient called ricinoleic acid, which is the secret behind all the incredible things castor oil can do for you. What makes castor oil so unique? Unlike other oils, it's not just packed with fatty acids. This oil is super thick, which means it locks in moisture like a champ. It's also been used for centuries in ancient healing traditions across the globe. Yep, the Egyptians loved it for their skincare rituals, and Ayurvedic medicine swears by its healing properties.
Benefits of castor oil: skin health.
Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer due to its humectant properties, which lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated and supple. It is particularly useful for soothing dry, irritated skin and managing conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects promote wound healing and help reduce acne by combating acne-causing bacteria. These properties make it a natural remedy for achieving smooth and healthy skin.
Hair and scalp care.
For hair care, castor oil is celebrated for promoting growth and reducing hair breakage. Its rich fatty acids and vitamin E nourish hair follicles, leaving hair stronger and shinier. It also soothes dry, itchy scalps, fights dandruff, and prevents fungal infections. Regular application can repair split ends and revitalize dry or damaged hair, making it a staple in natural hair care routines.
Enhancing eyelashes and eyebrows.
When applied to eyelashes and eyebrows, castor oil can encourage thicker and fuller growth. Its nourishing and strengthening effects make it a popular choice for enhancing facial hair's appearance naturally.
Digestive health.
Castor oil is a well-known natural laxative that stimulates intestinal contractions to relieve constipation effectively. Additionally, it is used in traditional detox practices to support digestive health by cleansing the gut.
Anti-inflammatory and pain relief.
The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it beneficial for managing joint pain and arthritis. So we're letting that sit so that it can soak in. So where would you put that? You would put that on a bone spur, you would put that on sometimes even a sore wrist, joints, you can put it on for that. Massaging it onto sore joints and muscles helps reduce pain and stiffness. It is also an effective remedy for easing menstrual cramps when applied to the abdomen, as it enhances blood circulation and relaxes muscles.
Boosting immune function.
Applying castor oil packs to the skin can improve lymphatic circulation and support detoxification. These practices, rooted in alternative medicine, are believed to enhance immune health by promoting the body's natural detoxification processes.
Reproductive health.
Castor oil is sometimes used to alleviate menstrual pain and improve uterine and ovarian health. Castor oil packs are popular in alternative medicine for supporting reproductive wellness and relieving symptoms of menstrual discomfort.
Anti-aging properties.
Castor oil's moisturizing abilities and its capacity to stimulate collagen and elastin production make it an effective anti-aging agent. Regular application can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting youthful, glowing skin.
How to use castor oil.
Castor oil isn't just about beauty, it's a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse your body from the inside out. This oil is well known for its ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes, particularly in aiding the liver and lymphatic system. When used properly, castor oil can stimulate your lymphatic system, helping your body flush out toxins more efficiently. A healthier lymphatic system means less inflammation, better immune function, and an overall feeling of rejuvenation.
Now, castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps.
One popular method of using castor oil for detox is through a castor oil pack. By soaking a cloth in castor oil and applying it to your abdomen, you can promote circulation and stimulate the liver to work more effectively. This helps your body process waste, clear out harmful substances, and improves digestion naturally. Many people report feeling lighter and more energetic after incorporating castor oil packs into their routines. Castor oil also supports gut health. Taken in moderation and under professional guidance, it works as a natural laxative. It can help relieve occasional constipation by stimulating the intestines, ensuring your digestive system stays on track. This gentle yet effective cleanse not only improves digestion, but also promotes a sense of well-being as your body gets rid of accumulated waste. What's truly remarkable is how castor oil combines its cleansing properties with its ability to nourish and soothe. It's not just about detoxifying, it's about doing so in a way that supports and rejuvenates your entire system. So, whether you're looking to kickstart a detox or maintain a healthy, toxin-free lifestyle, castor oil is a natural and effective option to consider.
Precautions.
While castor oil offers numerous benefits, it should be used cautiously. A patch test is recommended to rule out allergies before topical use. When consumed, it should be done under medical supervision to avoid side effects like diarrhea or abdominal cramps. Pregnant women should avoid internal use unless advised by a healthcare provider, as castor oil may induce labor. Castor oil's extensive health, beauty, and therapeutic benefits make it a valuable natural remedy. Proper usage ensures it maximizes benefits while minimizing any risks.
I hope you found these insights helpful for promoting overall well-being. If you have any questions or you want to share your story about use of castor oil, or you need further advice, please drop them in the comments below. We are here to help. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, and explore our other videos for more ways to enhance your wellness journey. Take care and see you in the next video.